So here I added the yeast in the water and I'm just mixing it up. And this is after a few minutes, and this is when the bubbles start popping up. It looks really cool and I like watching it. Here I'm adding all the other ingredients like flour, salt, sugar, etc. So now I am mixing it all together, and this is after it's all mixed. Now I am spraying down the bowl so that it doesn't stick, poking holes to let the dough breathe. So I believe that's after. It didn't really rise a lot. I think it was too cold in my house. And yeah. So now I am sticking it in the greased pan, kind of rolling it. I don't really know if I did it right, but yeah, it's being rolled. That's me really badly putting it into the pan. And then thinking patting it down would make it better. Now I am placing it in the oven after an egg wash. It didn't really rise again. Those are my little buns. And I'm cutting it, and it really didn't work. But yeah, we're trying. Into my little pan.
Well, it's considered stupidity.
Season with some salt, just a little bit, and some pepper.
Should be fine.
Our egg. Alright, so this aside. Our hash browns are gonna get put in here. Hash browns, and now we're gonna season a little bit. Salt, pepper, powder, and onion powder. And now we're gonna put a little bit more hash browns in on top, and then you're gonna want to flatten it down a little bit. This is me trying to look cool and flip it, but then it doesn't work and then it breaks. It's our hash brown onto our bread. And then we're gonna put the egg on there too. And our cheese. Take a little slice of cheese. I don't have bacon, but that would have been good. And we're gonna press it down. Nice sandwich. And then we're gonna put it in the little panini maker. A little bit of butter on it. Placing the sandwich into the maker. Right there. I've never used a panini maker before, but I think this is how. I think I push down that much. And then there's our sandwich. Flip it and see what it looks like.
Honestly, she's probably thinking that. And I bet if they're gonna maintain Joe Biden.
Right here, I'm just really struggling to get that last piece off the maker. Again, just really struggling. I cannot use a spatula very good, and just decided to use my hands, but it's fine. It's hash brown, egg, and cheese.